morning everyone. Welcome to social class. In this class we are learning a new lesson, safety rules. What are the safety rules? Where we have to follow safety rules? We have to follow safety rules while crossing the road, while we are traveling in the bus, and while we are playing, and while we are at home also. Okay? So in this lesson, first we will read the lesson. I will explain you there. Okay? Safety rules. We should be very careful and follow safety rules to avoid accidents. We should learn to take good care of ourselves and the others with us. We must follow certain rules which help us to be safe. These rules are called safety rules. We should always follow these rules. Safety rules while walking on the road. Always be careful and alert while walking on the road. Always walk on the footpath. Walk on the right side of the road so that you can see the vehicles coming in front of you. Do not play on the road or walk along the middle of the road. Look at this picture, how children are going. Children are walking on the footpath. The vehicles are going on the road. So you have to be careful while you are walking on the road. Okay. Safety rules while crossing the road. Do not run while crossing the road. Cross the road carefully. Always cross the road at the zebra crossing. Before crossing, first look to right and then to the left. Then look to the right again. Cross the road only if the road is clear. Watch the traffic light. Cross the road only when the light is green. Look here, kids are crossing the road. Where they are crossing? Here we have zebra crossing. We have to use zebra crossing to cross the road. And look at this picture. Traffic signal is green. Then children are crossing the road at the zebra crossing. Okay? And while we are traveling in vehicle, we have to go when the light is green. Safety rules while traveling in a bus. Always stand in a queue while waiting for a bus. Do not jump into or out of a moving bus. Wait for it to stop. Do not put your hands and head out of the window. Do not travel on the footboard of a bus. Sit quietly inside the moving bus. Obey the traffic signs and symbols when you travel by a vehicle. Look here, all the children are standing in a line. They are very good children, no? And look at this picture. The boy is putting out his head out of the bus. This is very wrong. You should never put your hands or head out of a moving bus. Understood? Safety rules while playing. Always play in a safe place. Play in a park or any other open space. Never play on the road or in the streets. Do not play games that harm you or the others. Do not pull or push anybody while playing. Avoid playing on the open terrace. Look at these boys. They are playing on the road. You should never do like this. You should always play in the park or in the playground. Do not play on the road. Safety rules at home. Do not touch electric wires, plugs or electrical appliances when they are switched on. Do not play with blades, knives and other sharp tools. Do not play with matchsticks or fire. It is dangerous to play near a lighted stove or gas. Keep your things in proper places. Do not leave your bags, toys and other things on the floor. You may trip and fall. Look at these kids. This boy is playing with the switchboard. This is very wrong. This boy is playing with matchbox. This is also very bad. This girl is trying to cut the vegetables. Now we have read the lesson. Now what the boys are doing? Playing with fire and playing with electric wires. That is very bad. And while you are playing at home, you should never touch electric wires or don't play near the gas stove or anything. Don't play with knives or any sharp objects. Okay? Did you understand the lesson? How you have to behave on the road? We have to be careful while walking on the road. Don't play on the road. And while we are moving in a bus, do not put your head or hands outside the window. Understood? These are the safety rules we have to follow. And regarding traffic signals, how we have to follow traffic signals? Stop when the light is red. And wait when the light is yellow or amber light. And go when the light is green. Understood? Okay. Now look at the board. We have some words from this lesson. Safety rules. S-A-F-E-T-Y. Safety. R-U-L-E-S rules. Safety rules. Footpath. F-O-O-T. Foot. P-A-T-H. Path. Footpath. Zebra crossing. Z-E-B-R-A. Zebra. C-R-O-S-S-I-N-G. Crossing. Zebra crossing. Traffic light. T-R-A-F-F-I-C. Traffic. L-I-G-H-T. Light. Traffic light. Queue. Q-U-E. U-E. Queue. Street. S-T-R-E-E-T. Street. Harm. H-A-R-M. Harm. Push. P-U-S-H. Push. Terrace. T-E-R-R-A-C-E. Terrace. Electric wires. E-L-E-C-T-R-I-C. Electric. W-I-R-E-S. Wires. Electric wires. Blade. B-L-A-D-E. Blade. Stove. S-T-O-V-E. Stove. Write these words neatly, read the lesson and follow traffic rules. Okay? Welcome to maths class. In this class, we are doing multiplication. Okay? Look at the board. 6 into 4. First, to do the multiplication, what you have to know? Tables. If you know the tables, then we can do the multiplication easily. Okay? Now look at the board. First, which digit we have to multiply? We have to start from ones place. Okay? Write like this. Ones, tens, hundreds. From ones place we have to start. 4 6 are how much? 4 6 are 24. Now we got 24, 2 digits. Where we have to write the 24? Directly you will write here? No, that is not correct. Where we have to write? This is ones place, this is tens place. So write 2 in tens place. Okay? 2 and 4 in ones place. Got it? 2 in tens place, 4 in ones place. Next, 4 ones are 4. We got 4. After that, what we have to do this to? We have to add. This one we have to multiply. This one we have to add. First multiply this. 4 ones are 4. 4 plus 2, 5, 6. Next, 4 ones are 4. Like that you have to do the multiplication. Now 3 5s are 15. 1 5 15. 2 digits we got. Where we have to write that 15? 1 in tens place. 1 5 15. Next 3 ones are 3. 3 plus 1 4. 3 twos are 6. Next 2 sevens are 14. 1 where we have to write 1 for 14. 1 in tens place. 4 in ones place. 2 ones are 2. 2 plus 1 3. 3 twos are or 2 threes are 6. Next 2 zeros are 0. 2 nines are 18. 1 8 18. Where we have to write that 18? 1 in next place. Hundreds place. 1 and 8 in tens place. 2 fours are 8. 8 plus 1 9. Next 4 fours are 16. 1 in tens place. 6 in ones place. Again 4 fours are 16. 16 plus 1 17. 1 in hundreds place. 7 in tens place. 4 ones are 4. 4 plus 1 5. Got it? Next 2 sevens are 14. 1 in tens place. 4 in ones place. 2 threes are 6. 6 plus 1 7. 2 threes are 6. These are the multiplications. Learn this, practice more sums to know these multiplications. Okay? Thank you.
హలో ఎవ్రీవన్, వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు తెలుగు క్లాస్. మనం లాస్ట్ క్లాస్ లో ఏం చెప్పుకున్నాము? ఆవు అనే లెసన్ చెప్పుకున్నాం కదా. మరి మీరు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తారా రీడింగ్? ఓకే, మరి క్వశ్చన్ అండ్ ఆన్సర్స్ అవి నేర్చుకున్నారా? ఓకే, పద్యం ఒకటి ఉంది, అది కూడా నేర్చుకున్నారా? మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి రిపీట్ చేద్దాం, ఓకేనా? గంగి గోవు పాలు గరిటెడైనను చాలు, కడివిడైన నేమి కరము పాలు, భక్తి కలుగు కూడు పట్టెడైనను చాలు, విశ్వదాభిరామ వినుర వేమ. ఓకేనా? నేను ఈ పద్యం లాస్ట్ క్లాస్ లో కూడా చెప్పాను. ఆల్మోస్ట్ మీ అందరూ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసే ఉంటారని అనుకుంటున్నా. ఓకేనా? నా నెక్స్ట్ వన్, ఒక్క మాటతో జవాబు రాయాలన్నమాట. నేను క్వశ్చన్స్ వేస్తాను, మీరు ఆన్సర్ చేయండి. పాలు ఇచ్చే ఆవుని ఏమంటారు? ఏమంటారు పాలు ఇచ్చే ఆవుని? వెరీ గుడ్, పాడి ఆవు. పాలిచ్చే ఆవుని ఏమంటారు? పాడి ఆవు. ఆవు ఎన్ని సంవత్సరాలు జీవిస్తుంది? మనకి లెసన్ లో వచ్చింది ఆన్సర్. ఆవు ఎన్ని సంవత్సరాలు జీవిస్తుంది? వెరీ గుడ్, 25. 25 సంవత్సరాలు జీవిస్తుంది. నెక్స్ట్, ఆవులు ఎక్కువగా కలవారిని ఏమంటారు? ఆవులు ఎక్కువగా కలవారిని అంటే ఉన్నవారిని. ఆవులు ఎక్కువగా ఉన్నవారిని ఏమంటారు? ధనవంతులు అనేవారు అనమాట. ఆవు ఏమి త్రాగుతుంది? ఆవు ఏం త్రాగుతుంది? కుడితి. ఆవు మనకు ఏమి ఇస్తుంది? ఆవు మనకు పాలు ఇస్తుంది. ఓకేనా? పాలు ఎవరెవరికి బాగా ఉపయోగపడతాయి? చిన్న పిల్లలకి, రోగులకు ఉపయోగపడతాయి. ఓకేనా? ఈ లెసన్ కంప్లీట్ అయిపోయింది. మీరు క్వశ్చన్ అండ్ ఆన్సర్స్, తర్వాత తప్పు ఒప్పులు, తర్వాత ఒక పద్యము, తర్వాత ఒక్క మాటతో వచ్చే ఆన్సర్స్ కూడా బాగా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ. Hello everyone, welcome back to Hindi class. In this class we are going to learn sentence using with aa ki matra. Okay? You have to practice and write neatly in your notebook. First you have to read the sentence. Okay? First one is dada. Da aa ki matra, da aa ki matra. Dada aya. Dada aya means What is the meaning of that? Dada Aya, grandfather came to your house. If grandfather came to your house, you are so happy now? So happy to play with him? Yes. Dada Aya, अपना पाठ याद कर. अपना पाठ याद कर means after watching the videos, you have to read the lesson once. Okay? Are you practicing the lessons? Good. अपना पाठ याद कर. You have to read the lesson. आज पाठशाला मत जा. Okay? आज पाठशाला मत जा means this is lockdown, no corona season. So you have to stay at home and you have to read the lessons by seeing and watching videos. Okay? Good. Next one, आलस मत कर. आलस मत कर means आलस, late. Don't go late anywhere. If your friend call you to play at home or you are going to ground, okay? Don't be late. Okay? Next one, माता का कहमान. You have to listen your mother's words. You have to obey her. Okay? Next one, Rama idhar aa. If you are calling anyone, you have to call, hey Rama idhar aa. You have to call like that. Okay? Once repeat. Dada Aya, अपना पाठ याद कर. आज पाठशाला मत जा. आलस मत कर. माता का कहमान. रमा इधर आ. Okay children, write this sentence in your notebook 2 times. Write neatly and practice them. Okay, thank you.